Hey, today I'm going to tell you how to get the lowest interest rate on your home equity line of credit if you're out there applying for one today. Hey, Tony Cardinali here, CrossCountry Mortgage. If you are looking to get a home equity line of credit for your construction project, college funding, whatever it might be, I just want to give you a quick tip on how to, when you are talking with a lender, how to apply for this to get the best margin, at least what to ask for. So interest rates on home equity lines of credit are based on the prime lending rate. The prime is tied to the Fed funds rate. 3% over the Fed funds rate is the prime lending rate, and the interest rate is based on a margin on top of that prime lending rate. So if you are looking to get the cheapest or smallest interest rate, you got to get the smallest margin on your home equity line. That margin is a factor of your credit score, the loan to value that you're asking for, maybe the amount of the line you're asking for, the type of property, maybe the occupancy of that property, a variety of things. When you're talking to the lender, make sure you ask them what is the sweet spot in that line of credit. And it might mean you need to take out a huge line of credit and just not use it. And if you take out a huge line of credit and you only use a portion of it, remember you're only paying interest on the portion that you're using. So it makes sense to take the biggest line of credit that you can if it's going to give you a better margin, cheaper interest rate, and in turn just use what you need. Hopefully that helps you. So make sure you ask what is the sweet spot for the cheapest or smallest margin on this line of credit I'm getting, and that's going to help you get the best interest rate on your line of credit and the overall lowest borrowing cost for that money. All right, and remember that money is going to get more expensive as you do go into the environments that we're in right now, where interest rates are rising over time because the Fed is raising the Fed funds rate. So keep an eye on your line of credit, use it sparingly, make sure you have the ability to pay it off or consolidate it later, which of course you do when you do a cash out refinance on your home. In the description below, there is a link to another video I did on different ways to finance a renovation for your home. Check it out. It does talk about home equity lines of credit, talks about renovation loans, cash out refinances, gives you the pluses and minuses of all of them. Hope it helps. As always, like and subscribe for more tips like this.